Hello everyone, this is the Fab Dad. Let's watch this, whoop whoop. Today we're gonna talk about Thomas and Friends. First, we have Emily. Emily is a dark green train. She has very wide, big eyes and a nice smile. She's green. Very nice, right? She's very elegant, nice. Two front wheels, two back and two front wheels, and the middle are a little bit larger wheels. And this is Emily. Next, we have Mighty Mack. He looks very happy. Looks like he got some freckles and some little weird eyes, but still very happy. And he's purple. And guess what? Another face. And this face looks much happier. And he's mighty. And that other face is Mack. Two-sided train, so you can go this way and you can go this way. Dun, 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 dun. And next we have Toad. And he does look like a toad. Cook, 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 cook. He looks kind of chubby too, but very cute, very cute. Four wheels Toad. Up next we have Spencer. He looks kind of tired. He probably needs a break or just needs a good night's sleep. He's very long, Spencer, with a lot of wheels. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 wheels for Spencer. Choo 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 choo. He looks very sturdy and strong, doesn't he? This is Spencer. Looks more like grayish, bluish type of a train. And yeah, he definitely needs a rest. And up next, we have Sir Handel. Sir Handel is a small train, but very cute. Number 3. Still big eyes, nice smile, you know. Sir Handel. Doesn't he resemble Mighty Mack right there? Yeah, they look alike. So there you have it. 5 Thomas and Friends trains. All very cute. So thank you everyone. Stay tuned for more toy surprises. Remember to like and subscribe. Whoop whoop.